Hey, it's Corey with Delta Kits coming to you with our latest signature product, the Elite UV Curing Light. It has a sleek design and it is the best of its kind. The Elite has a powerful, long-lasting LED that will give you a fast cure. The curing area is twice the size of a normal curing light. The Elite is versatile and accepts power in 120, 240, and 12 volts. It has a detachable cord, so there is less wear and tear on the cord. The Elite is durable and its military-grade aluminum body can withstand heavy use. The suction cups are replaceable and they are very strong, so the Elite can fit securely on the windshield. Visit DeltaKits.com now to get your Elite UV Curing Light. Or if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us.